hand to the one and only Patty Bar. Oh yeah?
The way you move, the way you feel.
All right. Thank you, everybody, for entertaining us.
Woo!
Good B-50. All right. Thank you, everyone. The one was in the house. I didn't know you guys were going to represent. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for coming. So I got to catch my breath. It's a little harder to do just these days. Thank you for coming to the celebration to help my wife and I mark this big milestone. I like to call it the halfway party, optimistically, halfway there. What I want to do is recognize all the folks who have been a part of my life and have contributed to different phases of my life. Some of the earliest, unfortunately, there we go. So I think I can go all the way back to high school. My middle school, yes. I got high school, elementary school, there we go. Why don't you all just stand up? Stand up, oh, you're already standing up. Others, stand up, recognize. These are folks I went to school with. And of course, school is nothing without our teachers and administrators. I have Miss Bennett, if you want to recognize, she's our student activities coordinator. The woman who taught me in Sunday school, Pastor Dorothy Bailey, come on, stand on up. Ms. Russ, who taught me computer science in junior high, isn't here, but I want to recognize her as well. It was awesome to always see those teachers who were skills and come on and celebrate these moments with us. All right, now I want to move on to college, Stanford, undergrad, and your friends and spouses. Come on. Stanford folks, come on. All right, yes. All right, so I have one representative from my grad school experience. Mark and Lisa, please stand up. Yes, all right. Oh, wait, Audrey, you can stand up too. Audrey Alvin. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, Angela, boy, all right, good to see you. All right, grad school, we also worked at a small startup together. It was an amazing experience. So Mark and I were in the same research group. He was sort of, I looked up to him, helped me get through to the PhD. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it.